If you lost the number that linked to your STC Bank account and now you can log in, this is the only fix that actually works. The most reliable solution is to recover your SIM number. Go to your SIM provider branch and request SIM replacement for your number. They will give you a new SIM with the same number. Insert it into your phone and open STC Bank app, and now you can receive OTP and log in normally. This is the method that works in almost in cases. If you cannot recover that number, you can try contact STC Bank customer support. But here's the truth. This is not guaranteed to fix the problem because your account number linked to your dad's original number. Don't keep entering the wrong PIN or login. You may lock your account further. If this helps, save this video. You may need it later and follow for more real solutions like this.